So they keep saying, yo, GNC, what's up with the Jeep Gladiator? Well, stay tuned and I'm gonna tell you guys. All right, guys, before this video gets started, if you would hit that like button for me. And if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And if you don't mind, leave a comment. All right, guys, so why haven't you been seeing the Gladiator? I've done a few things to it and looked like I just stopped. But actually I didn't. So as you guys know right now, I added the wheel wells by Flower Stuffers. I added the sliders. I added the wheels by Power Hobbies. I added the Treal wheel weights. And of course, like I did the 3D print. I printed the rack. And what else did I do? I think that's pretty much it. And of course, I put the magnet mounts on there. And I took off the ESC. This thing, I don't even know if the ESC work. I never even started up. Battery still in the same location. But let me show you why I hadn't done anything with this Jeep, because this is what I've been doing. So I've been buying parts, guys. Been waiting on this to get here. This is the overdrive gear. I forgot which one this is, but I know it's the fastest one that they make. I'm only gonna put it on the front. It's the 213T overdrive gear by Treal. I have the front steering link by Treal as well. I'm gonna tighten that front end up. The links also, this is the ones that you use to 4-link it, I think. Well, no, this is not the 4-link, I'm sorry. This is the standard stock ones. Well, not standard stock, but it's the standard, it has the 3-link in it. Let's just say it like that. Up and lowers. Also bought a set of the diff covers. That's one of them. And that's the other one. Also bought the steering knuckles. And I bought the brass rear counterweights as well. So this thing's gonna have a lot of Treal on it. Everything's gonna pretty much be Treal. The only other thing I got to get that I can recall that I want to get is gonna be the bumper. And I forgot to check on it today. But outside of that, I think that's pretty much gonna be it. May change the wheels up. I'm not really sure. I really like these. I wish they were a little bit wider, but I might change them up. Not really sure. As far as the electronics goes, of course, you know, guys, we're gonna be doing a more than likely a Fury Tech in this one. It may be a Nanotech, not Nanotech, Nano Beast, guys. I'm sorry, I don't know. We're gonna do one of the two, and of course, you guys know that I'm gonna definitely use a Lizard Pro. And I think once I do that, got a couple of other small things I'm gonna do. That's pretty much gonna be it for this thing. I'm gonna have it out of the way, and then I'll be starting on my next project. And then in the meanwhile, I think I showed you guys on one of the videos, I got some rigs I got to get rid of. I just got too much stuff. There's no way for me to keep up with this. If I didn't have all those other rigs, I probably would have had this thing completed by now. When I'm gonna get a chance to do all this stuff, I don't know. It shouldn't take too long. I just don't have the time right now. Got so much other things going on, so whenever I can get around to it, this won't be too bad though, because just looking at this, I think the only thing that may take a little while is the links. And the other thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a different servo. This is stock. I normally go with the Emax, but I might try something different. I've been talking to Dirt McGurk on Instagram, and we've been talking about servos. I got a good idea what I want to do on this one. I don't want to go overboard, but the one I want is kind of overboard, but I still would like to have it. Still not really sure which direction I'm gonna go. I don't know if I'm gonna go with the micro Komodo in this one, or if I'm gonna pull the Komodo out of my Jeep and put the micro Komodo in there, and I might put the Mofo in here. Not really sure, but I definitely want one of those smaller motors in there because I do like the lower center of gravity. For me, that's a must, the lower center of gravity. I don't think I'm gonna change these shocks. Thought about it, but I don't think I'm gonna change them. I honestly, everyone I've changed the shocks on, to me, the stock shocks perform just as well. I got a set of longer 43mm shocks. I just don't like them because I don't like the ride height when you put those shocks on. I know most people say they sit about the same, but I have seen some people put them on. They seem like it sit a little bit higher. I could be wrong. I don't want double barrels, and I want something that's pretty much going to be close to stock as far as the height goes. So my thing is, if I'm going to do that, I think I would just much rather go ahead and stay with the stock shocks. But you guys tell me what you think. What do you think about the upgrades I have for it? I know some of them probably not necessary, but I did want to do something with pretty much a full Treal build. I think I'm missing one part. So let's show you guys. So I do have, maybe I didn't, I got it somewhere. I have the cover. I got that also. Well guys, I can't find it. I know I bought it. I can't find it. Maybe I left it at the shop. Not really sure, but I did buy the part that goes here. Forgot what they call it, but I did buy that also. I got that in Treal, but I'm assuming I left it at the shop because I don't know where it is. Just wanted to show you guys where I am with this. I'm gonna get busy on it pretty soon. I don't know when. I'm gonna say sometime within the next 2 weeks. I'll go ahead and get started on it. I think I'm gonna really like it. I've seen them perform at my local shop, and it's a different crawl. It's almost like going from my Jeep to my belly dragger, but not as extreme from what I can tell. But I'm looking forward to it. I really am looking forward to it. But again, guys, I just wanted to give you an update, let you know where I am with this, you know, because I had a lot of people asking what's going on with it. Just hadn't had time, guys. And the raffle's coming up pretty soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned. But until next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.